I lost my train of thought. Got to do that again. What's hard in the elevator industry is that the software that's on the market is generally pretty old, and it's just not strong enough to handle all the different business functions that you need to execute in today's contracting market. The customers are wanting a lot more transparency. The consultants they work with want access. The equipment's getting more and more telemetry coming off it. So you don't want to be putting forth tools for your front or back office people that sort of handicap them to work in an environment that's tough enough to begin with. The price that an elevator contractor pays in a situation like that is that ultimately their valuation's not where it could be. Margins are lower, sales are lower, you're making mistakes, your yield on payroll is not what it should be. Companies should be looking at an all-in-one platform that doesn't compromise anywhere in terms of functionality, productivity per worker, and IT security and risk mitigation. We're prescribing the Microsoft Cloud because it's already familiar to users, with Microsoft Office being used by virtually everybody. And they've got a very well-established Microsoft Dynamics platform that handles all the business functions around marketing, sales, service, accounting. And then we've put an elevator contractor layer on top of that. And it really delivers that end-to-end, all-encompassing solution with the reporting you need to run your business, such as the accounting integration that delivers real-time job costing of the job files. We've got a very, very strong mobile platform, so we can give your staff everything they need to be better connected to you, but focus on servicing those units. We can get you anything that you need to look at a department or a customer or profitability. People get their time back. They're doing less sort of compliance and manual or repetitive work. They're able to focus on what matters, and it actually changes the sort of vibe and the morale in a company. You're getting all your IT, all your security. You never have to worry about if this thing's going to get hacked. It's really, quite the force multiplier with your payroll. So in my mind, the economics of it is a real vitamin pill for these businesses. The next step is to get on the phone or send us an email, book a meeting so we can start talking and learning about where you're at, where you want to be, and we'll give you a roadmap to what the vision is for what you have for your business. And for us, those are probably the best moments we have at work in any given day.